Jessie and Missy Cornland!
Hello, all my ducklings. Today I was at Target grocery shopping where I found the most strangest thing I've ever saw. Something called Shopkins. Using all my last savings from the last 9 million years, I bought these 2 packs, the Schmalamart and the Shopper pack. I decided to borrow Jessie and Missy Corn's camera to review these Shopkins. Oof. Ow, that hurt. Well, now I'm going to open them. Let's get started. Whee! Oof. Well, I unpacked everything, and this is this little small part, and right now I'm stuck in the basket, which also can come into a cart, which you just saw me roll in. Oh, did you guys know that I only have pupils and not irises? Wait, who said that? Was it you, Shopkin, or was it you, Ducks?
I didn't say anything!
Wait, you can speak?
Of course I can!
What? I thought you guys...
We're alive!
I thought you guys were edible.
We're not edible! You can't eat us!
Why can't I?
Because we're alive! My name is Fairy Crumbs, by the way. Who are you?
I'm Unicorn Duck.
Oh, nice to meet you, Unicorn Duck. Wait, did you buy the Shopkins Small Mart? Wait, did you buy us?
Yes.
Oh, great. You're our new owner?
Yes.
All right, why don't you tell them about the Small Mart?
Well, this is a little stocking section. It came with 3 things. Cookie favorites. I want to eat them. Some cake pop time and
you can't eat any of that stuff. I hope you know that. There's Shopkins in those.
Can I put you in this popping thing?
No.
Can I put one of you in the popping?
No. And we can scan all your Shopkins. Beep. And then we hop in the bag. But you can't eat us.
So what's the point in buying you then?
Because we're fun and you can play with us. Why don't we get into opening?
But I already have one of... Well, I guess you're better than the ones I already have because you can actually talk.
We're gonna be great friends. I just know it, Unicorn Duck.
You know, I have some nom-noms at home that only know how to say nom-nom.
Oh, just get on with it, buddy. Let's go. Move it. Let's see who you got. Come on.
Okay, I'm gonna start with the
peaches. You're moving the market all over. Don't treat our market bad.
I want to start with the peaches. I'm gonna shake this can up.
And don't forget, I didn't come with the market. I came separately. Fairy Crumbs, out of here.
Okay, so
And don't break the can. You're a bad Unicorn Duck. Very, very bad. Can you open that, Unicorn Duck? You're breaking the mart.
I'm sorry.
Let's stand that up. Oh.
I got this peach girl.
Look at how cute.
And she has like a little medallion on the back of her.
Cute.
What's her name?
Season 10 Shopkins.
What's her name?
We'll have to check the checklist. Why don't you open another one?
I'll put you right next to Fairy Crumbs. Oops. I just dropped my peaches. It's stuck. Oh no, I'll just open this. Coming out. Okay guys, I've got one. Let's see what we got. Nah, guys, I can't open this one. This Shopkin doesn't want to get out of here.
Do you blame them? You're mean. Oh, look, you just made more of them fall. What's the matter with you?
Why are you so mean to me?
You're the one that bought us.
So how do you know I'm not nice?
I could just tell. Come on.
Oh, I see it. Okay, what are you? You look like you're edible. I think you're some kind of drink. Should I drink you?
Do not. Ooh, so cute.
Should I drink you?
No, you cannot drink or eat any of the Shopkins.
But
Move on.
I can't get this one out. Up, I got it. What? This one was not. Okay, please tell me this one's at least got something behind there. Hold on, guys. We'll be right back to see if I can.
This is Apple Blossom.
Apple, but you're a peach.
Nope, it's Apple Blossom. And we have...
Well, Fairy Crumbs, let's tell them what I discovered.
Well, if you would have listened to me 2.5 hours ago, we would have...
been 2.5 hours.
Yes, it has. He just doesn't realize how much time goes by that he wastes.
Well, then I'll just eat you then.
You cannot eat Shopkins! Let's just tell them what you discovered if you would have listened to me 2.5 hours ago.
Okay, so right here it says 2 exclusive Shopkins. That's why we couldn't find them on the checklist. And Fairy here thought it was Apple Blossom.
Did not!
Did too. Okay, so the quote-unquote Apple Blossom is peachy, and the cake thing is cake pop.
Cake pop!
Okay, I want to show you something else.
Show them what the register can do. Oh, how rude.
Okay, so I
There
found...
they are, over here. Woohoo!
So I found this little...
OMG! God!
Wait, who's laughing? Was it you, Fairy?
No.
Was it you, Peachy?
Just move on and show them what
Okay.
it does.
So this is a loyalty card. Wait, so I have
So cool! Loyalty card. It's mine, not yours.
No, it's mine.
You're not a Shopkin.
Well, I own the place now. So when you slide it, it's not working.
Oh, brother. You did it before.
Do you have it upside down, Fairy? Oh, yeah. Okay, there we go.
There it is. The register pops up.
And now I'm going to smack
That
it down.
loyalty card is mine.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Okay, now why don't we talk about the pack that I came in? Because I'm so cute, aren't I? Look at me.
Oh.
Hello. Hello.
Well, guys, this is the pack that Fairy came in. So
Fairy Crumbs. My name is Fairy Crumbs.
Well, I'm just going to call you Fairy Fairy Crumbs came in.
Woohoo! Yoo!
So I'm going to open this up. And then I'm going to
10 hours later, and we'll finally get to see what Shopkin is in the bread.
This is your packaging, Fairy.
My name is Fairy Crumbs.
Whatever.
Why doesn't he understand that my name is Fairy Crumbs?
Okay, Fairy, it's time to put you back in your packaging.
What is it? What? Hey! Hey! What are you... What? Excuse me! Get... What?
This is your...
Oh! This is my packaging. Do-do-do-do-do-do. I tricked ya! Ducky, I got you on that one.
Now I'm just gonna put you inside it so you never have to speak again.
I don't think so. How about you open what you thought you were buying was strawberry ice cream?
I don't like strawberry ice cream.
Well, that's what you bought, Sonny, so deal with it.
Whack.
You're not allowed to hit people. Bullying over here on aisle 10. He's quite mean. I don't know how Jessie and Missy Corn put up with you.
They don't. I have to put up with them.
If anybody wants him fired from the delivery system, just let us know and we'll take care of that.
You will, and then you're stuck home with me.
And then you can't buy any more Shopkins. We'll let Jessie and Missy Corn buy them all. Oh, who do we got? Who came in the strawberry?
Oh, it looks like Oreos inside her. I'm just gonna pull those Oreos.
Whoa, so cute. But I think it
Well,
goes like
she's-
that.
Well, she's not looking.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Also, look at this checklist. And I'm right there. Where am I? Fairy Crumbs is me. Okay, you keep opening.
I'm trying to put somebody in their packaging.
Wait, you have to show them.
I'm putting Fairy Crumbs back in her packaging.
Excuse me. Put me back this instant, young man. I'm telling Jessie and Missy Corn, if you don't start opening, I'm calling them right this instant.
Uh-oh. So I'm just going to leave you in your packaging. Now let's...
Oh!
Now what's her name?
I'm still looking, but I believe... Oh, it's Ice Cream Dream.
Ice Cream Dream. You can go on display.
Let me out! Let me out! Help! We'll put me up there. Here's next.
Ooh, a dinner box.
Which you cannot eat. I can still hear everything you say.
How are you talking then?
Because I'm alive.
But you're in a box.
I can still hear. You put me back in my...
Ooh, sushi! I want to eat.
Sushi! Hello.
I believe your name is like something Sally Sushi.
We're going to find out.
I want to eat you. Can I eat you?
You know you can. It's Susie Sushi. Why don't you open the cake box? Woohoo.
Okay, let's open the cake box while fairies can't see us.
I can still hear, you know. So rude you just put me back in my packaging like I wasn't even here. Ugh.
I don't like you.
Just because I tell you the truth. Susie Sushi. Hello, Susie Sushi.
I can't open this.
Well, Unicorn Duck, maybe you shouldn't put people in their packaging and they could help you.
Oh no.
Woohoo!
I'm gonna put you.
It is me. Hello.
I'm gonna put Fairy Crumbs at the bottom shelf where no one will buy her.
Ooh, look at how cute.
Susie Shush. Oh, what's your name? You look delicious.
He or she came in the cake packaging.
Can I eat you?
Wait, was it the cake packaging?
Can I eat you? You look
No,
good.
you cannot eat Choco Lava. That's Choco Lava.
Chocolava.
Boy, we have to teach Unicorn Duck about all all these things, Shopkins.
Okay.
Do, do, do. Now he's opening his pound of butter. Haha, he thinks that I can't see, but I know everything he does.
Well, you're gonna stay there for the rest of your life.
How rude! It's so rude, you know.
I've got...
Is it margarina?
It's a cheese.
It's cheesy. Cheesy. Oh, she's so cute.
I'm gonna
Cheesy.
put her
Hello, Cheesy.
right next to the problem maker.
That's not very nice, you know.
I don't
Let's
like
put...
her. I don't like what's her name.
Why don't you open the laundry detergent since you obviously need to clean your mouth?
No, you need to clean your mouth.
Oh boy, how did I get stuck with him bringing me home? Ay, 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 ay. See, never heard of Shopkins before. Have you ever heard of such nonsense? And I'm still stuck in my packaging.
Ooh, I got some washy
It's
pearlescent.
dishy liquid.
Dishy liquid.
Oh, and she's pearlized. Ooh.
I'm gonna put you right.
She's special.
I'm gonna put you.
Hey, put me, oh, ow. Ooh. Uh-oh. He's opening our mystery packs, guys.
Oof!
I think Unicorn Duck's a total disaster. I second it. I third that. I fourth that.
I found a carton and snack time. Okay, I want to find the squeeze juice. Maybe it's some good juice. Anybody up for some juice? Okay, let's open it.
There's a blind bag. That's mine.
No, it's mine.
The Shopkins are all part of one another.
I think I've actually got the real apple blossom.
Well, come on, Sonny! Hurry it up there!
She is one of the original Shopkins.
That is Apple Blossom.
Who should I knock down for the place of Apple Blossom? You know what? I'm gonna keep a fairy.
I gotta find Apple Blossom.
I'm gonna keep Fairy, what's her name, in the back.
My name is Berry Crumbs.
I'm gonna keep you in the back of the shelf.
As I was trying to show everyone me, hello dears, I'm Apple Blossom. This is my special mark. Hello. Yeah, can you believe I'm stuck with this guy? I feel so bad for Fairy Crumbs. Onto the shelf I go. Oh gosh.
Why don't I just put you in the popcorn machine or something?
That's very, very, very wrong.
Okay, open
Look
the
at her.
snack thing.
Look
and
at all my cute containers I got.
I opened the snack thing and I got crackers. I think I'm gonna eat you now.
You cannot eat them. Okay, wait. And we got... Let me see.
I wish I could put Fairy Crumbs back in her thing.
You leave me alone, Sonny. This is crispy crackers. Crispy crackers.
Crispy backers.
Where is Fairy Crumbs? Where is she?
She is in the back of the shelves. She's in the back of the shelves.
So rude.
She belongs there, though.
All right, Unicorn Duck, we've had enough of you.
Let's buy you guys now. I'm going to buy you guys now.
Yeah, we'll see you later, Unicorn Duck.
Bye-bye.
Oh, Unicorn Duck thinks that Jesse and I don't know what he did.
Uh-oh. Run away!
Hey, Jesse! Do you know what Unicorn Duck did?
Yes.
He's so busted.
I don't care.
He stole our camera.
I don't care.
Peace, guys. See you later.
Peace.
Peace. Bye.